Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're going to be making a sort of nemesis sort of Earth. So this was a comment I got quite a long time ago and I was only recently reminded of it. So yeah, many thanks to the guy who commented it, you know who you are. But yeah, this should be pretty interesting. Before I get into it guys, we got a ton of likes on yesterday's video. Yeah, that's pretty amazing stuff. On making the yellow solar system. Yeah, you guys seem to really like that. So yeah, I may be making a or maybe making the next episode for that in the next few days. Since you guys seem to like it so much, I'll keep doing it. But we've only got 3 episodes left, I think, since there is not really many other colours to do. So if you've got any other colours we could do that isn't white, pink or brown, then yeah, if you've got any other colours we could try that I haven't done already, then yes, comment them down if you want me to do it. But I can't think of any other colours, so yeah, that is that. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, we also got a ton of likes. I think I mentioned that already, yeah, but we've got a ton of likes on the video yesterday, so yeah, let's keep that up. That's pretty cool. So, let's do this. So, a Nemesis Earth. So, I've actually already got sort of a object I want to use for this, and the plan for this is, or this video is, I need to put it at the opposite side of the sun, but it needs to have a year that is 1 day shorter, so it needs to have a 363-day year. So, we need to put it right in the sort of normal spot here. Let's put it there. So yeah, this is my sort of nemesis sort of Earth. It's a future Earth. I based it off Venus here, but as you can see, and it's quite a barren sort of looking object, as we can see here. It's basically based off of what Earth will be in the future, like with all like the red giant sun stuff. So I basically made it look like its surface is all burnt, all like basically a barren wasteland. Simply, that's what I based this off of. So yeah, it's still got the Earth clouds, which are pretty cool, and it's got the Venus atmosphere because, yeah, all that water on Earth is eventually probably going to evaporate into clouds, so what better object to use than the Venus? So, yeah, that's my Nemesis Earth. So if you want me to show you how I made this, then just say and I'll make a short video on it. But yeah, it's got an atmosphere of 50 ATM. This guy is hot, hot, hot. So, yeah. Right, anyways. Now, what was I doing? Yeah, so I need to check the days here. Where is it? So I hit play. So we should be in orbit of the sun now. So I'm hoping anyway. So yeah, we're in orbit of the sun. So this has an orbital period of 364 days. So we need to turn that to 363. So now it should be the opposite of the current Earth. So current Earth is 365 days. So they're going to be very, very close. Actually, no, we need to put it back to 364 actually. So like that. So these guys' orbits are 1 year apart. So it's going to take a very, very long time. But it will happen eventually where this Earth is eventually going to catch up with the main Earth. And they're going to collide. So yeah, this is our Nemesis Earth. So if you want a comparison here, I've made it. It should be the exact dimensions of the regular Earth, because I did make it in an old version of the game. So it's got a mass of 1 Earth. It's got a radius of 6,370, and the regular Earth is 6,371. So we're going to quickly put that to 1 like that, just to fix it. And the density is pretty much the same, but we will change it just to fix it. So 3.51 like that. So their density is exactly the same. The radius should be the same. Well, actually, no, it's slightly different, actually. So 3671. So let's quickly fix that. It changes the density. Oh, well. But yeah, we've got it pretty much close enough. Like, they're pretty much the same. Actually, no, we can lock it. What am I saying? So we can lock that. Then we can put this to 1. So 5.51 like that. So now it is exactly the same as the regular Earth, pretty much. Oh, and it's mass change as well. Seriously? Come on. Can I put it to 1 Earth quickly? 1 Earth. There we go. Now it's exactly the same. So it's got a mass of 1 Earth. It should have exactly the same size. Okay, this keeps messing me up. Come on. That's what we want. So it's got exactly the same mass, exactly the same radius, exactly the same density. All that's different is the temperature. So this is going to be pretty interesting. Has it got a 24-hour day? Let's have a look. Do I have it set on 24 hours? Whereabouts is that? 24 hours? Yeah, rotational period 1 day, so 24 hours. So that's pretty good. So these guys are exactly the same, pretty much. It's just they look different. So now we're going to have to play the waiting game. So we'll go ahead and delete out these outer objects because they're not relevant to today's episode. So we're going to go and delete those guys. We don't need them here, so let's get rid of them just so we can speed up the simulation quicker. We'll also get rid of all these guys. Like, goodbye. So what we got left? So all that's left are the original sort of discovered objects, because if you didn't know, Saturn was the last planet in the solar system for quite a long time. So I believe Ceres has been known for a long time. So these would have been the only objects that we would have known about, I believe. So actually, maybe not Ceres. So we'll just delete that. But yeah, these guys. This is sort of the original solar system here. These were in the days when we thought Earth was the center of the universe. And I did actually make a video on that. So if you guys haven't seen it, I recommend you check it out. But wait, did I delete the other Earth? No, I didn't. No, how did I delete it? Okay. That is annoying. Okay, let me just quickly fix that. Seriously, that is a real pain. How did I delete it? I deleted the stuff on the outer solar system. That is really peculiar, isn't it? So, okay, let's put this 364 days. Let's quickly fix that. Let's go back to here. So this was 3.51. Let's quickly do that. Yeah, keep that off. We're going to, and then we're going to change the radius. So it was, let's quickly check it out. Okay, let's zoom in there. So 3.3. So that was 7.1, like that. So we're going to lock this, put that back to 1. Oh, damn it, all the options keep changing. Ah, that's annoying. That's what we want. Okay, that's the perfect... Alright, perfect. So that's what we want. So now what we need to do is we simply just need to hit play and watch. That is it. We've done all the setup. So we've got these guys. I will remove the gas giants if they cause too much trouble, but we're going to do this. So let's start speeding this up. And these Earths are definitely going to follow each other for a long time. So... because their orbits are so similar, but this guy should eventually catch up. So it's got, let's quickly check it though. So yeah, 364 day period or year period. So 364. This guy is 365. So eventually these guys are going to get so close they're going to collide, or they're just going to fly past each other and change each other's orbits. Let's just delete Jupiter and Saturn. Actually, might as well. Actually, let's just delete all the other planets. So Mars, Mercury, Venus. We don't need them. Like, we just need the Earth. So now we just have to watch, pretty much. So we just got to wait till the Earths catch each other. So we'll go lock onto the sun here. And we'll start speeding this up. So this might take a long time, but look at this. We can keep this going for a long time here. Like, nothing's even happening. So if we look here, they were originally opposite each other. But this guy has slightly catched up with the regular Earth. So that's going to be pretty interesting. All the sun's getting wobbled around as well. Damn. Can we speed up? And also, if we pause here, look, it is catching it up. Look, now it's only about 90 degrees away. So if we hit play a little more, just keep going. Oh, it's eventually going to catch up. Oh my. So let's see this. Wait. Oh, hang on. Did they? Oh, look how close they are. Right, let's slow this down. They're getting close. Look at this. Trails. Oh wow. Can we see it? Can we see them from each other? So here's this one. Can we see the regular Earth? So yeah, we'll keep the clouds on that so we can see it. So if we go to regular Earth, can we see? Oh, we can. We can see it. We can just about see that. If we just quickly hop to Earth, if you guys didn't catch that. So we'll just go on background and we'll put it on. We'll put it on solid black. Solid black. If you look there, I saw it. It's very rare. You can see in that white circle there, as I drag my cursor away, you can see a little dot. That is it right there. And actually, one last thing I need to do actually is I need to make their orbits the same. So yeah, their orbits are slightly different. So we're just gonna quickly just reset this to nothing. So let's do that. Oh, whoops! I think I changed it. Whoops, a daisy. You didn't see that. So is this guy's orbit all the same? Yeah, so these settings are not really changed, but we'll quickly manually do it. So like that. Okay, here we go. So yeah, we'll just speed up slightly, so about where they were. So now all their options are on 0, 0, 0. The mean anomaly, that's just the like where it is in its orbit. So now they should be on the exact same line. So yeah, they are very similar. So this guy's 1.01. So this guy's years change. Let's quickly put it to days again. So 369. It goes to 364 days. And the regular Earth is 365 still. So now, this is where it's going to get interesting. So we should be able to see. Can we see the blue Earth from here? And I don't think. Oh no, we can. If you look carefully, you can see the little dot there. So you can see the Earth from the Earth. So yeah, the nemesis Earth. Yeah, we'll keep it named Earth though, just so it has the white clouds there. But yeah, there it is. That's a very dark, evil-looking sort of planet there. That's basically Earth in 5 billion years, if it still exists. Like, that's what it would look like in my eyes. Or not in 5 billion years, but in the next few billion years, after the waters evaporated, this is what my impression of it would look like. Maybe not the white clouds, it would just have the heavy cloud there. But yeah, it definitely looked like this without the clouds and stuff. But yeah, we'll add that back. So, also, let's get a quick look of what Earth could change into. So, right now it's all pretty, got loads of water on it, and then it could eventually turn into this. Because remember, in the future, the continents will change locations. So, yeah, remember, the continents are still moving. The Earth is still an active body inside. Like, it's still alive, got a hot core and all that. So, Earth's continents are still moving. So, yeah, we don't know what the future will complete 100% look like. So, could be anything. But yeah, I've just made this because this is what it would look like if all the oceans evaporated anyway. So we probably wouldn't see the continents from space. So, alright, so let's go back to labels. And now we just need to wait till the Earth catches the Earth up. So I really don't want to miss it, but I need to speed it up more so we can see. Like, we have to keep playing and pausing just so we can get it. So I really don't want them to do it, but I guess we could manually move them closer, but I don't know, because they're eventually going to catch each other up. Like, what's happening here? Is it getting further away? I don't even know, but yeah, their orbits are, they have wobbled each other actually. Look, they have changed because that was not like that. This guy has got a more inclined, I can never say that word. This option here, this one I'm fiddling with, yeah, that option. So has this one changed? So yeah, it looks like the second Earth is getting affected a lot by it, but for the sake of the video, we will speed it up manually. So let's quickly put it back to 364 days. Whoa, I want to change that. So put it back to 364 days. Then we're going to put the regular Earth. So that's still on 365. So we're going to quickly reset all the settings here just to fix it. So now we're going to speed up Nemesis Earth until they get very, very dangerously close. So we should be able to see it if we turn it off. Okay, maybe it's a little closer then. So their orbits are all still the same. Like, are they all good? Okay, so let's quickly put that to 0. So it's got 365. So what's its distance from the sun here? So 0.99 AU, and this guy is 0.998 AU. So they are very, very close. So let's speed it up more. So, whoa! Now that is too close. If they get that close, that is going to cause mayhem. So what we need to do is we need to slow it down. Slow down time. We're going to pull it back a little bit. So 100 and so there's the Earth there. So 179. We need to put this number to. So 179 like that. So now, oh my, look how close they are. So it may not seem like they're far away, but that is closer than they've ever been. If we are so, oh my god, that is close. So slow down time a lot. Hit play, and you can see the Earths. Oh my god, the Nemesis Earth is catching up with the regular Earth in its orbit. So, oh wow, they are so close. That is scary. Like, imagine just seeing, like, this is the real doomsday because it is literally exactly the same size as Earth, and anything as large as Earth, if it hit Earth, it would wipe out all life probably. So, can we see it in the night sky? So, oh, we can. It's right there. It's almost as large as the moon. Wait, is it as large as the moon? Maybe it's a little smaller than the moon, but what am I saying? Yeah, it's definitely smaller than the moon, but it's still a relatively large size. So, how far are they away from each other? So, let's just have a quick check here. So we'll put it, just get a random moon. So they are, so can we see here? So they're about I want to say that's 2.8 million miles. Is that? I can't really read the number. 85. Yeah, they're about 2.8 million miles away from each other. So that is close. That is really close. So there's the blue Earth. So if we want to get a look from Nemesis Earth here, so we'll land on this marvelous planet here. So nice view of the sun. So if we look up, we should see the blue Earth. There it is. So also pretty much not exactly the same size in the night sky, since they're both the same size in size and all that. So can we get them any closer though? That's what I want to know. So trails hit. Oh no, orbits. Wait, are they in a binary orbit? They're so close. Their orbits have changed because, like, remember their trails are here, but I think they've got so close that they're in a binary orbit now. So is this going to catch up with that though? That's what I want to know. So if we speed it up, will it catch up, or are they still? They may be in a binary orbit. I don't know. Like, they look like they are. So that's sort of the game that's done that. Because in reality, I'm pretty sure they probably would crash into each other. But now, for the sake of this video, this is what I was expecting. I was expecting these two to collide. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This is what I'm assuming would happen, but I don't know for sure. So if anyone can clarify me, if an object had an orbit the same as Earth, but it had 1 day less in a year, so it was slightly closer. So as you can see, compared to the sun, it is slightly closer than the regular Earth is to the sun, because remember, Earth has an orbit of, it's changed, but yeah, Earth had an orbit of 365 days, and this guy had an orbit of 364 days. So if they were to, or if this one eventually did catch up, which it would they crash into each other, or would they form a binary orbit like it just did? So yeah, can someone tell me that in the comments? Because I'm interested to know, because I don't know on this one. So Yeah, I'm quite good at my astronomy, but this is a scenario that's never happened, so we don't really know. But if this was to happen, what do you guys think? Would they collide, or would they do a binary orbit? I reckon they'd collide, but I may be wrong. So yeah, someone please correct me if I'm wrong there, or just say what would happen or what you think would happen, because that'd be interesting. But now, let's slow down time, because I'm assuming when they get so close to each other, they would eventually draw each other. And we'll also add the moon in just to see what would happen to it. So, where's the moon? So look, it's closer than the moon is. So if we hit play, okay, so yeah, the moon is here. That planet is there. So it's closer than the moon. We'll add the moon in. So, or we'll move the moon quickly so we can just see, have it in the view there. So let's quickly pull it like there. So it's slightly closer to the moon, but we're going to look on the night sky of the regular Earth, and we're going to see if we can spot them both. So let's see what the size difference is. We'll land somewhere near Japan, I guess. We'll land near Japan, then we'll look down, go below the clouds, look up. Oh wow, that is a lot bigger than the moon. Remember, it's slightly closer than the moon is, but it's a lot bigger. So look at that. Oh, that would be scary. Imagine seeing that past the orbit of the moon. So if we hit play, oh, that would be scary to look at in the night sky. Imagine seeing that. So there's our nemesis Earth. It is there. The clouds really make a cool effect. I really like that. I wish I could make it a little cooler, but oh, it's blocking out the moon. So there we go. So it's that like that. So now we just need to wait till they get closer. So because remember, this guy's getting closer and closer. Wait, is it attracting the moon? Oh my god, it did. It's tearing the moon up. But we don't want any of the debris of the moon to hit this Earth, because otherwise it will make it bigger, and then it will win the battle against the regular Earth. So yeah, there's that. But it would destroy the moon apparently, because remember, if oh, seriously? Okay, we'll just fix that. Don't worry. Yeah, but remember, if it did get that close to the moon, it would probably pull the moon towards it, or definitely change the moon's orbit. So yeah, that just happened. But damn it, that's annoying. Oh, why did I delete it? I swear I didn't select that. I don't know why. They need to sort of fix that, because I guess I must have caught the atmosphere of it. But yeah, we'll just quickly add it back. Quickly remove this. So we've got the Earth again, like the way it is. So now we're going to quickly change the settings again. So we're going to lock the mass. We're going to put it to 371. Put the density to 3.51, like that. Quickly, yeah. So we're going to put the mass back up to 1 Earth. Right, there we go. That's what we want. So it's exactly the same. I think I'll save it as well, just so I don't have to keep doing that. So now we're going to see what happens here. So we're going to hit play. So these guys are on the direct collision course with each other. So we put 0 velocity on you, 0 velocity on you, just so they crash into each other. So this guy would tear up the moon if they got too close, because it is entering the normal Earth's orbit, remember, or the normal Earth's territory, so it would mess up the normal Earth's system a bit. So yeah, the moon is dead, pretty much. So in theory, would that make this Earth win? If this Earth collided with the moon, then it would get bigger in size. That means when it collides with the normal Earth, it would win. Or it probably wouldn't. But yeah, I'm interested to see what will win it, because remember, these guys are exactly the same mass. It's got the same size, same density. It's just they're traveling at different speeds and their temperature's different. So there's our nemesis Earth. So if we land in the North Pole here, what does this guy look like? Oh, there it is. It's so scary. Look at it. That nemesis. Look at this thing. It's underneath the clouds. Imagine seeing that in the night sky. Like, it's getting bigger and bigger every minute, pretty much. Just slowly getting closer. But there it is. You can even see the clouds on that planet turn. Like, if you look carefully, you can sort of see the clouds enter in the night time there. So you can even see what's going on there. So that's pretty crazy. So now let's look from Nemesis Earth at the regular Earth. So let's land here. Oh, look at this. It looks so like volcanic and dead here. So if we look up, there's the regular Earth. Let's actually go on the North Pole just so we can see it. So there we go. There's a nice sunrise as well, sort of there. Okay, oh, that's a little too north. Damn it. Okay, let's go there. Okay, now we should be able to get a better view. Where is it? Earth? Where's it? Where's Earth gone? Earth? Okay, because there it is there. So let's just land here. Okay, now if we look around here, it should be there. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there is Earth from Earth. So as you can see there, yep, you can see the regular Earth tone. You see Mexico and like that Florida area, New York going into the night time there. Now you can see the sort of the San Francisco, Los Angeles area going into the night as well. You can see Brazil there, all the South American countries, but they're getting closer and closer. Look, oh my god, and this is all happening in minutes, pretty much. But remember, it may not be realistic since I did halt their velocities, but damn, if we look now, so we can see Earth from Nemesis Earth. Look how close it is. So remember, this guy is caught up in the orbits because it did have 1 day less in the orbit period, so it would eventually catch up no matter what. But okay, let's look from the Los Angeles, Las Vegas area. So if we look up, oh, that's big. Look at that. Remember, they are the same size. They're exactly the same size. So where's a good view we can get if we land here? Okay, that's a little too far away. Okay, here. Oh, imagine seeing that on the horizon. Damn. Or waking up in the middle of the night and just seeing that. So if we look around now. And then, oh, this is a good view. That could be a good for the thumbnail, actually. What if we, that's a very cool picture, actually. I like that. So let's actually just quickly add some stars in. I may use that for the thumbnail. That is a really nice sort of view there. I like that. Milky Way Galactic. Now, we'll just have them just stars, just so it looks simpler. But that looks cool. Can we just get rid of some of the ice? It looks a little too white on Earth. Wait. Don't mind me. Just doing thumbnail work while recording. Yeah, I'm professional. I'm really professional. I'm sorry. Okay. There we go. Okay, that looks better. I think the warm water looks better. Okay, so we could have a bit of water and ice actually. So if we leave it like this, just so we have a bit of ice but a bit of water, just so I mix it up. So there we go. Look at that. That is a very nice view though. Like it looks cool, but it's going to destroy us. So there we go. That's a cool looking picture there. So if we hit play, oh my god, look at it. It just gets so close. This is happening in minutes. So if we hit traveling seconds, look at this. It's just getting closer and closer. That is insane. So the Earth will probably heat up in temperature as it collides with its nemesis cousin, but look at this thing. And this planet is hot as well. It's 2,000 degrees apparently. Oh, it's warming up to that. So look at this thing. Closer and closer. Look, they're always going to collide. So let's look at Earth from Nemesis Earth as well. So let's get Nemesis Earth's view on this. So if we look round, oh, we've got the regular Earth on the horizon there. Look at this thing. It's pretty cool to see Earth from this close, honestly. But yeah. So who do you think's going to win this? So if we hit play. Here we go. Earth versus Nemesis Earth. They're both the same size, same mass, same radius, same density. Who's going to win? Okay, here we go. Let's get a good view of them colliding here. So, here we go. So, they're going to collide. We'll slow it down even more. Oh, the atmospheres are touching. They've touched. They're touching. Look at that. Oh, look at this. You can see the fragments starting to come out. Oh, my God. Let's just keep getting a good view. Look at this. Oh, the lag is real. But look at that. Oh, my God. Okay, who's going to win? Oh, look at that explosion. That looks cool. They're both Earths are one object pretty much right now. They're touching, but look at that. Oh, poor America. America's going to get the first... Look at that. Let's just land in this part of America. I don't know where this is. The middle of America. Whoa. Damn. Okay, so that's covering the whole night sky. This is like the red giant sun. Look at this. So the poor Americans, no matter where you are in America, you're going to see this. So... Damn. Look at that. That's pretty insane. So we've got the city lights here. They probably won't last for long, but look at the size of this thing covering the sky. And then we'll look from Nemesis Earth as well, from their perspective. So we'll land there on Nemesis Earth. So let's look around. Can we see the explosion? Oh my god. So we can see we were just standing somewhere here on Earth. Because yeah, this is I think this is like the was it the west coast or whatever? Is that yeah? Am I getting my north, south, east, or north, or west and east right? I think that's the west. But yeah, as we can see here, we were just standing somewhere here. Somewhere. This is the whole USA, so this thing is just crazy. So look and get a view from the Nemesis Earth as it collides with regular Earth here. Look at this. This is insane. Oh my god, that American part there is getting closer and closer. So we're basically landed in the Pacific Ocean here. Oh, the temperature on this object's heating up as well. Damn. Okay, let's get a view from the outside here. So. Ooh, yeah, look at this. Oh, it's heating up. Okay, let's keep going. We're traveling. This is basically in real time because it's 1.18 seconds. So this is pretty much real time here. So this is what it would actually look like. So we can see at the regular Earth, it's starting to heat up. See, it's not green anymore. Okay, this Earth has got some water on it. Apparently, there's a little ice ocean there. I don't know how that works, but look at this. Look how big the explosion is. Let's go round. Let's get a good view of this. So let's go round here. Damn, this is pretty cool. So there's the USA, yeah. So so it's north, south, east. Well, yes, this is. I think this is the west. All right. So, oh, look at this! Look at all these fragments just exploding and falling back in here. Look at this. Let's get a real close up. This is like the closest up we can get. Look at this. So this is. Yeah, this is America. This is touching America now. This object. Look at this. Oh my god. So this is sort of like a very nice sort of. This is cool. I've never been like this close in the collision. Look at this. Look at all these fragments. They're just like coming out and going in. Whoa, look at this. That object is spinning very quickly. Damn. Wait, are we inside one of them? No, get out of here. Escape. We're too close. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're inside the Nemesis Earth there, but look at this. Look at all these objects. This is ridiculous. This is in real time, so let's just let them do the thing. Or how are there... Why is there collision marks here? What? Why are they here? Why is it just a massive line of collision marks all the way around it? That's weird. The regular Earth doesn't have that. Nemesis Earth's getting a real beating, but... Okay, let's speed it up a bit. Let's put it to about 10 seconds real time, just so we can... Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds is quick enough. So, oh no, 13 seconds. Okay, so... This is very cool to watch, just in slow motion. Look at this. Look at all these fragments. It's like a little ring or like a little like bracelet sort of looking thing almost. But look at this. So which Earth is going to win? I have no idea. I'll put my votes on Nemesis Earth, I think. I don't know. I just think I just like it. It looks cool. But who's going to win this? Wait, is that 16,000 degrees? Damn. Yeah, it is picking up water. Look, you can see there's water appearing there, but... Is it gonna... Well, it looks like it's beating Earth, actually. Damn. We will do this over and over again just to see if it was a fluke or if it actually would beat it for some reason. I don't know why. All their stats are the same, maybe. So, look at these fragments. Oh, I think regular Earth is dead. Oh, no. I think where I live in the UK is somewhere here, but that's probably not doing too good right now either. So, this is Africa. There's Saudi Arabia. So, Europe or the United Kingdom would be here somewhere. So, I would live somewhere here, maybe? So around here, oh my god! So if I woke up and saw this in the middle of the night, well, I probably wouldn't. But look at this! Oh my god! So basically, giant boulders have just flown over my head here. Look at these! Look, you see the oh my god! And now I'd be dead because this whole part. We're inside a fragment. I think we're inside a fragment. So no matter where you look, it's doomsday. The whole sky is just glowing with a float or an object above our heads. That is just ridiculous. So look at this. It goes like you can go rise on the surface. So, oh no, wait, is Earth still alive? Oh no, it is. Yeah, but the Nemesis is eating it. Look at that. Oh my god. So, damn. Look at that. Oh, and Nemesis Earth has won the battle. So there you go. And let's just make it so all these objects fall back down because that's probably what would happen. So, 0 velocity. So now they're all going to fall back down to Nemesis Earth. So Nemesis Earth should have a mass about 2 Earths now. Should have 2 Earths of mass. Wait, why are they flying away? 0 velocity, please. Go to 0 velocity. Come on. 0 velocity. Now they should head back. So, yeah. No. Whoa, what the heck? That just got big. What? Why is it super big all of a sudden? It's got the same density. I don't even know what the heck's just happened. Why is it smoking now? Dude, I have no idea what happened here. The atmosphere's been wiped away. That's pretty weird, but... Okay, so let's just put it to 0 degrees. Let's just see... Okay, it's still... Okay, take your time then. Cool down, please. 0 degrees. Okay, now it's cooling down. Okay, let's see what's left. So, how many explosion marks on here? So, does this have any water on it? Okay, no, apparently it's 100% iron now. Okay, I don't know how that works, but maybe it is to do, maybe, because since it was the same mass, same radius, same density, maybe it's to do with what elements are inside it. But, there we go. Got a bit, it looks like it does have water on it, apparently, but it's just, it should be like this almost, like, something like this, maybe. Well, it looks like this half is completely... This is where Earth, or the regular Earth, hit it. So if we speed it up, can we... Like, damn. What the... It just blew up. It died. What the heck just happened there? Yes, dead. It's just the sun. I don't even know. This game sometimes does some of the bizarrest things. But, yeah, let's quickly do that again. So let's get our Nemesis Earth here. So, oh, no. Please, zoom out a bit. Okay, so let's do that again. So we'll check out all the stats the same. So there's Nemesis Earth. Then we'll get regular Earth again. We will check that again. So let's do that. Now let's go around here. So it's the same size, same mass, same radius, same density. Now the elements on the inside. See, I've tried to make them exactly the same here. It's just this wouldn't have any water on it in the future because it would have all evaporated. So it's just, is it because this has more iron on it? Maybe iron's more dense. I don't know. Is it to do with the elements here? Like we can always retest this, but. Or we are going to retest it, but we could try and I could try and fix it to make it exactly the same. So if we put it to the 20.1 moons, so if we do that to 20.1 like that, so that should be exactly the same now. Wait, 24.7. I don't even know. 60 moons, 61.2 moons. I have no idea how these stats work, but this is pretty much the closest I can get it. So we're just gonna hit play again. Oh, did you just hear that sound effect? I just heard that new sound effect. I love that sound effect's cool. So slow down time again. Let's see if it was a coincidence or... Okay, maybe it was a coincidence. Okay, what the heck? What is going on? It just went through. Okay. What is going on? We've got this endless glitch of it going in and out now. What is this? This glitch has been in the game a long time as well. I've seen this loads of times, but this thing's almost as hot as a star now. It's 9,000 degrees. Okay, regular F1 then. What the heck? That is just... So it's got 1.86 Earths now. How does that work? So it was a fluke last time, maybe because it was travelling, but... I don't even know. You guys can help me out in the comments. I have no idea. And why has it got more water on it now? The other Earth didn't even have water. So how does it have... Why is all of America flooded here? I don't even know. Too many questions. Can we speed it up just to see what would happen? Is it cooled down now? Why is it flooded? There was no extra water anywhere. There's China there. We've got some of the Pacific Ocean. America's here. South America. Africa would be here. Europe would be here. This is the Asia area. Yeah, there's China again. So, no Australia, I don't think. So, rip Australia. But, yeah, so I have no idea how to conclude on this episode. So, from the test we did, the Nemesis Earth won. But from the test we just done here, the regular Earth one. We can try it again. We will try it again. So, we'll go Earth there. And then we'll get Nemesis Earth again. Put them there. So, we'll watch again. So, what's going to happen here? Okay, no, I don't want you guys orbiting each other. I want you guys to kill each other. Go on, go in. There you go. Alright, now let's go see what happens. So, who's going to win this time? Okay, so Nemesis Earth won. And regular Earth is dead. And now it made it very, very big apparently. But there, Nemesis Earth won that time. We'll do it another go. So, let's do regular Earth again. Let's put you there. Let's go Nemesis Earth. We'll put you there. Okay, let's see who's next. So, they're about to collide again. And... okay, it's doing the glitch again, and Nemesis Earth won. Okay, that is just peculiar. I'm guessing with the glitch in the game, we can't test it for real which planet would win, but we can do it with an Earth and a regular. We can do it we can do an Earth place the other Earth. Hang on, maybe it's the second planet I place that always wins. So we'll place Nemesis Earth first, then we'll place the regular Earth. So there's Nemesis Earth, then we'll place the regular Earth there. So. Does it make a difference which one you place first? Okay, apparently it doesn't. It just seems like Nemesis Earth wins every single time. So, or apart from that, I don't even know, guys. If you can help me out with this to say which one you think would win, like the elements inside were slightly different. So if you want to go and check which ones were different, go back to the bit where I've shown you the difference. But there you go, guys. That is it. So Nemesis that is what would happen if there was a second Earth with a 364-day orbit. So an Earth with a 1 day less year would eventually catch up with the regular Earth, kill the moon. It would kill the poor old moon, and then it would collide with the regular Earth. And I'd assume it would win since it would eat the moon as well, or it probably would eat the moon. It would get that little bit of extra mass, so now it would be 1.01 Earths. Then it would definitely win because it's bigger and it has more mass. I think that's what would happen. Yeah, so it would be bigger than the regular Earth, and poor old regular Earth would die. So, to conclude, I think Nemesis Earth would win. So the Nemesis would win. The regular Earth wouldn't stand a chance because its moon would get sucked in by the new Earth, or the second Earth, and it would get bigger, kill the regular Earth. So yeah, there you go, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, helps on the journey to 1,200 subscribers, because that would be awesome. Make sure you leave a comment just saying what you would think would happen in this scenario, because it's a pretty interesting thing. And yeah, there we go. So make sure you all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.